So you want to learn how to cut tile for cheap. This is a score and snap tile cutter, or another name for it's manual tile cutter. Basically it just puts a score on the tile and then it snaps it. As you can see here, there's a wheel. This wheel is how it scores the tile. I bought this for $22 at the Home Depot and I love it. It gives you a nice smooth cut. I haven't had any issues with any bad cuts at all. It has a jig on it as well, so if you gotta do a lot of the same type of cuts, you can set the depth. It also has a little ruler on it. Never really used it, just used my own tape measure. But so I'm just gonna tighten this up. Got my tile on there, and start at one end of the tile, apply pressure. I gotta use my foot, and you just guide the wheel across as so. And this also has a little hump right here, so whenever you cut it, the cut is pretty center on that hump, and then you just apply slight pressure and then it cuts your tile just like that. Pretty simple. Very nice cut. You can file it down with a sanding block or a filing stone, or you can buy a diamond grit filer, but this is a very clean cut. There's your HDX. This is the tile cutter on the Home Depot website. It's listed for $21.97. Cuts up to 14-inch tile. I think it does 10 inches diagonally. Let's go to product overview. So the model is 1021 4X. And the tile cutter has a 1/2-inch cutting wheel, scores and snaps wall and floor tiles. Cuts ceramic and porcelain tiles up to 14-inch square and 10-inch diagonally. And it tells you the types of, or the model of the blades for your replacement. And that's pretty much it. It's a great tile cutter. I've cut pretty much my entire backsplash with it. This is my backsplash I cut. It's a cheap tile. It's ceramic. Did all my end cuts there. And I also cut my countertop with it. So it's clean. You don't have to worry about water getting everywhere. It's very quiet. I don't know if you've ever used a wet saw. Wet saws are very loud, wet. And this way is so much more efficient. I highly suggest using manual score and snap tile cutter.